Lucian Cernat, who is the head of global trade regulations and international procurement negotiations for the European Commission.
Thank you, Adriana. It's a real pleasure to be part of this series, and I think it's an incredible service you do to the international community to allow us experts around the world to interact and discuss issues that affect us all across all societies around the world. So many thank you for the invitation. I think it's important for our listeners and viewers to understand the severity of this crisis, to have a quick look at one of the most important indicators that we at the European Commission have been using. It's probably the worst economic crisis since World War II.